Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best pink stuff spray is probably one of the most talked about cleaning products on the internet right now, and for good reason, as it promises to tackle a wide variety of messes with ease, cutting through grease, grime, and soap scum on surfaces all around your home, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal that could potentially save you time and effort. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the power of the pink stuff, your new go-to for a sparkling clean home. This miracle cleaning paste tackles messes with ease. Its unique formula works wonders on various surfaces. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to effortless shine. From greasy stovetops to dirty sinks, it makes kitchen cleaning a breeze. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. Tackle soap scum and water stains in your bathroom. It leaves your tiles and fixtures looking like new. This all-purpose cleaner is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and so much more. Experience the miracle for yourself. See the difference it makes in your home. It's the effective solution you've been searching for. What we like. This paste is incredibly effective at tackling tough, baked-on messes. If you have stubborn stains in your kitchen or bathroom that other cleaners can't handle, this is the one to reach for. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way for deep cleaning tasks. What people say. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Number 4. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator 24 ounces. Are stubborn pet odors taking over your home? Don't let accidents from your furry friends ruin your living space any longer. Harness the power of natural citrus to tackle tough messes. This cleaner uses the natural strength of orange oil to break down odors. Specifically designed to combat the strong smells of dog and cat urine. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving your home smelling fresh. Not only does it eliminate odors, but it also works wonders on carpet stains. Restore your carpets to their former glory with this effective formula. Enjoy a pleasant and refreshing citrus scent after cleaning. It leaves behind a light, natural fragrance that everyone will love. This generous 24-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Keep your home consistently fresh and odor-free. What we like. If you're a pet owner dealing with accidents and lingering smells, this is your solution. Its powerful natural orange oil formula neutralizes odors rather than just masking them. For those who want a fresh-smelling home free from pet-related messes, this product is ideal. What people say. The Pink Stuff Multipurpose Cleaner is a powerful cleaning solution that effectively tackles grease and grime. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean with minimal scrubbing required. The spray bottle is designed for easy application, dispensing an even mist for thorough coverage. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Multipurpose Cleaner. Discover the cleaning power of the pink stuff. This miracle cleaner tackles tough grease, grime, and stains with ease. It's perfect for use all around your home. From kitchens and bathrooms to floors and beyond, it handles it all. Say goodbye to stubborn grease. This cleaner cuts through it effortlessly, leaving surfaces sparkling. Don't let grime and stains get you down. It's formulated to lift and remove even the most challenging messes. Use it on various surfaces throughout your house. It's your go-to solution for a spotless home. Get more cleaning power with this generous 25 fluid ounces bottle. It's designed to last and keep your home looking its best. What we like. This spray is your go-to for everyday cleaning challenges. It effortlessly removes grease and grime from various surfaces, leaving them sparkling. If you want a quick and easy way to maintain a clean home without harsh chemicals, this versatile spray is perfect for you. What people say. This product works amazing. I was cleaning the top of the cupboard door and my finger missed the cleaning cloth and went into a gross gooey mess of accumulated grease. So when I tested the product on what I thought was something minor, I uncovered the rental home's kitchen ceiling was filthy with tar and or grease from the stove in one test spot. Spray and wipe the scum instantly, clean surface. I just spray this stuff on, let it sit for a minute, then scrub it off with a strong sponge. The bottle is pretty big and great price. It bubbles up a little when you scrub so you know it's there. It doesn't spray pink, it's clear. And the scent isn't terrible, smells like cleaner but not overpowering. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I was astonished at how effortlessly it tackled soap scum, water stains, and dirt buildup that had accumulated over time. With just a small amount of the paste and a bit of scrubbing, my tiles and grouts were restored to their original shine and cleanliness. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Despite its powerful cleaning action, the Pink Stuff is surprisingly gentle on surfaces. I simply apply a small amount of the paste onto a damp cloth or sponge and gently scrub the tiles and grouts. The paste adheres well to the surface, ensuring maximum cleaning power. What's even more impressive is how quickly I saw results. In just a few minutes of cleaning, the difference was evident, and my bathroom looked noticeably cleaner. I appreciate that the Pink Stuff has a mild and pleasant scent. It's not overpowering like some other cleaning products, which can be bothersome during cleaning sessions. The subtle scent leaves the bathroom smelling fresh and clean without being too overwhelming. Number 2. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Spray 3-Pack. Discover the cleaning power of the Pink Stuff. This miracle multi-purpose spray tackles dirt and grime with ease. Achieve a brilliant shine on multiple surfaces. It makes cleaning tasks simpler and faster than ever before. From kitchens to bathrooms, this versatile cleaner is your new best friend. Get ready for a spotless home. This convenient bundle includes 3 bottles of our effective multi-purpose spray. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs. Don't just clean, make it a miracle. Try the Pink Stuff Miracle Multi-Purpose Spray today and see the difference. What we like? Stock up and save with this multi-pack of the popular spray. It's perfect for busy households that need a reliable cleaner on hand for multiple rooms. If you love the convenience of having this effective cleaner readily available throughout your home, this bundle is a smart choice. What people say. This product works amazing. I was cleaning the top of the cupboard door and my finger missed the cleaning cloth and went into a gross gooey mess of accumulated grease. Spray and wipe the scum instantly, clean surface. I just spray this stuff on, let it sit for a minute, then scrub it off with a strong sponge. These crayons stain really bad so there will always be a tiny trace of color. But if I didn't use this, it'd be way bad. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I was astonished at how effortlessly it tackled soap scum, water stains, and dirt buildup that had accumulated over time. Number 1. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Ultimate Bundle. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with the Pink Stuff. This bundle brings together our most effective cleaners for a spotless home. From stubborn paste to powerful sprays and creams, tackle any mess with ease. It's designed for every surface in your home. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or even outdoors, these products deliver exceptional results. Achieve a brilliant shine everywhere. Experience the miracle cleaning power that the Pink Stuff is famous for. Make cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. This ultimate bundle includes paste, multi-purpose spray, bathroom foam spray, and cream cleaner. Get ready for a truly deep clean. What we like? For the ultimate cleaning arsenal, this bundle has you covered. It includes multiple Pink Stuff products for every cleaning need, from tough pastes to everyday sprays. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to tackle dirt and grime in every corner of your home and beyond, this ultimate set is the best option. What people say. The spray nozzles have excellent coverage and control, making cleaning quick and efficient without wasting product. Stubborn stains that I've battled for years, gone within minutes. Cleaning power is where this product truly shines. Grime, soap scum, grease, you name it, it melts away without damaging surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.